Hello all, welcome to Solution World channel. Tasan here. Today I'm going to talk about how to have a different type of languages actually in our website. I mean to say how a website letters everything can translate it into the other languages so that we can attract many what is that called actually visitors to our website so that they can just read in actually whichever language they know. So it's really cool a plugin actually. It's nothing but G Translate plugin. So all you have to do is just click on plugin. This plugin will be helpful for those bloggers actually who really want very good traffic for their website, because people actually if they want to actually read it in some other language, in French language, or else in Arabic, or in actually in Tamil, Telugu, whichever language they want, actually native languages, they can translate it actually by this plugin. So actually I'm just going to click on add new. So here it's nothing but G Translate. Just type here G Translate. So here you can see translate WordPress with G Translate. So this is the plugin which I am talking about. So this plugin will be helpful for you to have n number of drop down actually menu will be there. It will ask you the location where you want. Just all you have to do is just click on install and activate. So now I'll tell you what to do. Just get me into install the plugins. Let me get into install plugins, and actually we will get into the settings of this G Translate. So here you can see settings. So click on settings, and now here widget, look how you want it to be. It's going to be a widget. So how you want it to be? You want it to be the drop down with flags. You want flags and drop down. You want drop down, however you want it is asking. So whichever type you want, you can just select it, but I want the first one. And then translate from English, because basically we have created our website in English actually. That will be our default one. So then show in menu. So in which menu you want it to be, whether you want it to be in the footer menu, whether you want it to be in the primary menu. I'll click on primary menu, and then just scroll down. Here n number of languages are provided here. So I have just selected French, Arabic, German, Chinese, and few default actually it has given by its own, and Hindi, Italian, and English, something you can, whichever language you want it to be in. So let me just select Latin. So whichever you want, just give a tick mark over here. Tamil, I'll just give Urdu. So it's my mother tongue, so I'll give Urdu. So this is all actually how you can do it. So then what you have to do is, after selecting the languages, just scroll down, and here all you have to do is click on save changes. So once you save changes, so let's directly get into our site. So it's getting scrolled. Okay, let me just visit site. So friends, here you can see we gave it in the primary menu. So this is the drop down. So here you can see Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, and so many languages it is showing me in. So let me select what is it called, language for this. So let me just come down. If you want it to be in Arabic, let me see how it really looks like. So here you can see it has entire page has got changed into Arabic language. It has got translated into Arabic. So if you want it to be in Hindi, it will convert into Hindi. So it's really cool, pretty cool, so that actually anyone can come and actually visit our site. So let me just scroll this down. So let me select Hindi. So here you can see it's in a Hindi language. Yes, so it's really cool and amazing actually. We can have this for Google Translate, and we can enjoy having it. Hope you all would have enjoyed this session. Though if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. If you want to know how to make a free website using free domain and free hosting, just in the below description I have a link for you. Kindly share with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.